Out front at 9:30 tonight, 3 deaths, all connected to the same drug rehab facility in Oklahoma. Now the victims' families want the state to take action. Narconon Arrowhead is a Scientology-based drug treatment program in the town of Canadian, Oklahoma. Some former patients claim the staff at the facility refuses to give patients their prescription medicine because of their Scientology beliefs. The family of the 3 people who died at the facility believe the staff did not provide proper medical care, and they say that's why they died. Fox 25's Marissa Mendelson spoke with state officials to see if they're taking any action against the facility. It is tonight's Fox 25 investigation. Marissa.
Well, a former patient first contacted us after he became concerned about the deaths that occurred at Narconon Arrowhead. So we took his concerns straight to our state officials.
All this is happening, and it's right here in Oklahoma, and our state officials aren't doing anything about it. And that's the true heartbreaker.
Gabriel Graves, Hillary Holton, and Casey Wernick all died after checking into this drug rehabilitation facility in Canadian, Oklahoma.
Heartbreaking. Extremely heartbreaking.
Narconon Arrowhead promotes itself as a drug rehabilitation program developed by the teachings of L. Ron Hubbard, the founder of the Church of Scientology.
They basically attempt to cure whatever drug addiction they have is through Scientology.
Narconon's drug-free withdrawal is the first step for a person arriving at Narconon while still on drugs.
But the bottom line is Narconon that's not their first choice, is to medicate the students.
Former Narconon patient Colin Henderson says he found that out firsthand.
They would not let me have my blood pressure medication. And going through the withdrawals and everything that goes along with that, my system was kind of starting to freak out.
After Hillary Holton's death, the Pittsburgh County Sheriff's Office sent a deputy to the facility to question employees and patients.
The people that he questioned said that they would need to talk to their attorney.
Deputies with the Sheriff's Office say they've also had a hard time getting onto Narconon's property.
They kind of police themselves.
Fox 25 even had trouble getting video of Narconon while across the street.
They're really specific about not having, camera people coming in here and filming the facility.
Okay, but we're on public property, so we have a legal right to get video of it. Then another employee drives back and again tries to kick us off public property.
So I need y'all to go pack up your cameras and go back up to the top of the hill.
This is a public road.
This is not a public road. This is private property down through here.
The Sheriff's Office confirms the street we were on is a public road, but Narconon's Canadian facility is not its only one.
They're world known. They're not just here.
Just this year, the government in Canada shut down the Narconon Rehab Center in Quebec. Colin thinks after 3 deaths and several lawsuits involving Narconon Arrowhead that allege negligence, the facility here should also get shut down.
Me and a few people have been on our state officials so hard that they only say we're watching them.
Fox 25 went to the Oklahoma Department of Mental Health and Substance Abuse Services for answers. The department's Director of Public Information, Jeffrey Dismukes, says Narconon Arrowhead has been certified for non-medical detoxification through the Department of Mental Health since 2005. Has the Department of Mental Health ever received any complaints about Narconon Arrowhead?
Sure. I just don't have the specifics about it.
The Department of Mental Health has the power to take away Narconon's certification.
If a facility does not comply with the standards of certification, or if they do not comply with corrective actions that have been recommended for that facility, they potentially could put their certification at risk.
And the department is currently looking into a case involving Narconon Arrowhead.
We do have something that's open right now related to an incident report that was filed in April. We're collecting additional information on that before we move forward.
Now Colin and the families of the victims hope the Department of Mental Health takes action before it's too late.
We see this happening, and it's been happening for over 20 years, and our state is not doing anything about it.
And Narconon's attorney sent us a statement. David Riggs says Narconon Arrowhead never withholds prescription medication from any patients. He added that he believes it's easy for former patients to make allegations against Narconon because the facility cannot defend itself due to privacy laws. We also contacted the CEO of Narconon Arrowhead, Gary Smith. He did not want to do an interview, but he did send a statement. Now, if you'd like to read that statement, just go to our website, okcfox.com/links. Jamie, back to you.
Marissa, thank you. Fox 25 submitted a public records request to get a copy of all complaints filed against Narconon Arrowhead with the Department of Mental Health. We have not received any results of our request. We'll let you know if the department takes any action.